Hi, this is Kishore. Today we begin our journey to Nizampatnam Island, a place that holds our aqua farm. Reaching this island is an experience itself. We set out in our own boat for a peaceful 40 minutes journey through the quiet substreams of Krishna River. As the boat moved slowly across the water, we were surrounded by nature on all sides. Along the way, we witnessed green mangroves stretching along both banks of the river, creating a calm and shooting atmosphere. The gentle sound of water, the fresh river breeze, and the untouched natural beauty made the journey truly special. After this long and memorable ride through the waterways, we finally arrived at Nizampatnam Island and reached our aqua farm.